see what the hell is wrong with this thing. When it was pulling there, it started chattering, and then it locked up in the going through the lane.
Yeah, I seen the crater it made. Move it all now.
It's seized, didn't it?
Yeah, it's completely.
Wonder if it ruined the tire. Probably didn't help it much, did it?
Yeah, probably not.
Alright, get that off of there. We'll pull the hub off. In it, tires, and I need some old rags and shit so we can clean this off. Yeah, it's got plenty of grease in it. It had to have been something with the brakes busted in there. I'll bet it did. I'll bet it was the brakes. Come on. Just come on in. You can do it. There you go. Nasty son of a bitch. Yeah, that's still tight. Yeah, those. Let me have that pretty green dress.
I'm pretty full on. You said channel locks?
It's my pretty green dress, look. What, is that embarrassing?
For you?
For me?
I would think so.
Well, I like to feel pretty. You don't like to feel pretty, Brett? Where's our good crescent wrenches? This in here is such a piece of shit. 12 inch. Find a... I don't know why we even keep that. We've got 35 crescent wrenches around here. We even have an actual Crescent brand one around here somewhere. It's a little late for that now. We're going to need a couple big screwdrivers. Maybe we can pry it off of that brake in there. I think that's what happened. I think the brakes turned loose somehow, and I don't think it's just going to come off. Oh, well, look at that. What? Yeah, I'd say that the brakes, look at that.
Wow.
Pick all them pieces up. That's pretty cool. Bearings are still good.
That's good.
Yeah, bearings are still good. Man, that son of a bitch sure turned loose, didn't it? Look at that.
Shut the camera.
Hey, there's your problem, huh? All in there. There's pieces there. It just fell all apart. Don't need trailer brakes on it. Take all that shit off. There's another spring there. Yep. That's just the wires. Get the pliers and we'll clip them off short. That's the deal that goes in the bottom that unscrews out. There's two pieces to it. Yep. See, and then there's a bolt that goes in the center of it. Pick it all out of there. Let's get it. I don't want it in the road so it causes us to have a flat. Fix it. Must have been down for a long time. You can see how it's been wearing the inside of the hub there. Look. Feel the grooves in it? No, not there. Across the face of it. Yeah, like that. So that shit must have been off of there a long time. Hell only knows how long that's been doing it. Long time ago. You gonna stay or you gonna fall off there, you son of a bitch? Come here and hold this. Brake's gonna jump off of there. Just hold it like that. Put the taper in this way, right?
Yep.
Go get the thrust washer, or nut. The nut. I got the thrust washer.
This we used last time, yeah.
Yeah, from the last time we had this apart.
Yeah. And the last thing we worked on, which wasn't
Oh
this.
yeah, that's gonna be awesome. Nasty, greasy son of a bitch, I swear to God. Everything's just gotta be a bastard here. Where's the small one at? That one there needs a little more. That one, see, look at the amount of threads on each one. Good, let's see. No, that's good enough. All right. What a pain in the ass. And we're done.
Put this back in the oil shed.
Yeah. All right, son, we're done. Here, put that away and then put away the anti-seize and all these tools. Wipe these tools down, get the grease off of them too. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed the video. And just remember, it ain't rocket surgery. Thanks for watching.